Here are demonstrations of two atomic products. We have two containers that have been filled with water, and we are going to add some iodine to both the containers. Let's see what will happen to the water. The clear water turns to brownish color immediately. Let us now stir them a little. Now we are going to add some powder into both the containers and stir them. While the left container we have added with Atomy enzyme fabric detergent. As we may be aware, enzyme detergent needs some time to resolve oil and dirt in water. The water will become clear over time. Thus, it is suggested we soak our clothing for about 20 to 30 minutes. Then wash them. Our clothing will then appear clean and shiny after washing. On the right, we add in a little bit of powder and stir it. See any significant difference? The water turns back to clear condition immediately. Here we have added a little bit of the Atomy color vitamin C powder. It helps to dissolve chemical or coloring that we may have consumed. It has significant detoxification and antioxidant effects. Hope that the above demonstrations have given you more confidence and value in using the above two atomic products, i.e. the Atomy color vitamin C and the Atomy enzyme fabric detergent. Thank you for viewing.